So we set our units correctly, and now we're going to create the box. But first of all, it says create a floor that has a width of 5 and length of 5 meters. So instead of creating a box in standard primitives, I can just go inside a plane because uh, we didn't get any information on the height of the floor. So let's create a plane, and in the top view or in perspective, you can just click and drag inside the viewport. This will give you the plane, uh, and this is our floor. So in order to edit the dimensions for the plane, you have to go from create tab to modify tab, that is under command panel. And if I click on the modify tab, you can see we have now all the modification tools, all the parameters we have for the plane. So let's change the length and width of the plane, and that has to be 5 meters. And if I just press Z, it will zoom in the object we have selected. So if I just don't want to zoom in the specific object, I can just press Z. In our case, we have only one plane, so uh, that is why the 3 is max is zooming to this plane. But if we have multiple objects, all the objects will be in our window. So now in order to increase our workable area, what I can do is I can just go in this viewport and press Alt W. You can see all the keys that I've been pressing on the left bottom corner of the screen like this. So if I just press Alt W, you can see I can just maximize or minimize my viewport like this. So let's say we have this uh, 5 by 5 floor, but this floor is not on the origin. So origin is where all the values of x, y, and z becomes 0. So let's just uh, move it on the origin. So by turning the x value to 0, y to 0, we already have the z axis at 0. So uh, by turning x and y to 0, we can get our plane at the origin. So